hello everyone, I'm Dr. Buencamino, the owner of Buencamino Dental Specialist. I specialize more on cosmetic dentistry and at the same time implantology and also orthodontics. So currently we're going to take Panoramic Xray. So it's a type of X-ray na para makita natin lahat ng alignment ng ipin niya and at the same time kung may presence siya ng different lesions that surrounds the tooth. So smile. Okay. Here in our clinic talaga we specialize more on aesthetic and oral surgeries. Since from the name itself a specialist, so meaning all of my associates and at the same time ako, so we specialize in certain fields. Let's say for example, just like me, I'm more of cosmetic dentistry. So it's all about veneers, crowns, full mouth rehabilitations from before and after looks. So we can handle difficult cases, not just like a general practitioner practice. We can cater basic services like simple cleaning, extractions, and at the same time restorations or yung mga pasta. Before we open this clinic, we made sure na we can cater all of their concerns. So aside from that, marami pa tayong mga types of X-ray. So ito, yung diagnostics namin dito, it offers Panoramic Xray, Cephalometric Xray, Submentovertex Xray, Waters View Xray, PosteroAnterior Xray, TMJ lateral open and close. So all types of X-ray we can cater.
Hi, I'm Dr. Tiffany Diabsede. I handle here in Buencamino Dental Specialist more on the surgical cases. Okay, so our dental chair is actually a very modern dental chair. You can see here we have a screen and then there's an intraoral camera so we could better show the patient what are the current problems his or her oral cavity. During the treatment, you could actually watch Netflix or YouTube during the time that you're having your oral prophylaxis or cleaning, restoration, or pasta. Okay, so mafe-feel talaga ng pasyente. They are very, very comfortable during the treatment.
Ayun, that's why I open up a clinic here in Pampanga kasi kailangan natin na something na hindi na sila lalayo pa. Itong clinic na to talagang nag-specialize siya when it comes to aesthetic dentistry and at the same time parang it's a one-stop shop. So kompleto na lahat, all diagnostics, more of digital na. We can give you the before and after look na kahit wala pang ginagawang procedure sa patient. We follow the minimum protocol of this Pampanga chapter. So if you want to have an appointment with us, first you can search us in Facebook page. So you can have an online appointment. So once na pumunta si patient dito, you will no longer fill up forms. We are located at Medical Mall, 313B, Mendoza Street. So City of San Fernando. So landmark is it's beside Watson's and Macabali Hospital. We are open Monday to Sunday, so Monday to Saturday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and on Sunday it's strictly by appointment.